Here we go again for another episode of magnet fishing with our star, Junior I.P.A star, Leighton. Here we're in a different location now. We're at Dishley Lake. So there you go, there's the lake. We're going to try this area, see what we can get. So stay tuned. And then trawl it.
Yep.
Try different areas around here. One mighty swing for mankind. Right. You'll probably get caught up in some of those lilies, but it doesn't matter. Drag it in.
Only a few. Do you think I'm...
No.
I don't think there's out on this point.
Yeah, just try it a few times. Different directions. And then what we'll do, we'll move up further up and try there.
I want to do one of that. I ain't been using these in a while.
And that's it, put your gloves on. Right, drag it in then. Let's see if we got anything. I think this place is pretty clean actually. Don't think you're gonna get out.
No.
We'll try another area up the top there after this one.
After this thing. Oh, here I like the sucker all of that.
There you go, it'll come.
Just straight through all of the seed. Then it brings out
No, right, we'll try further up. Right, try a different location. Yeah, just caught weed. Right, well then, stick it in. You'll try not to put it through that weed, you'll drag it all up.
Oh no. Oh yes.
Ugh.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? Who's eating that for dinner?
Right,
Fudge.
right, go on, heave it right over there. Right out.
Don't worry, we'll move back.
Oh, rubbish.
That is me.
I
Drag it
wonder
in.
what we've got now. What? As I guess. More seaweed.
Try just dragging it around the edge here, because people sit here while they're doing fishing, so.
No, there's a lot of seaweed. Don't they make a coat?
Don't need to throw it.
Go on, Leighton. That's it. That was a good one.
Oh, I'm moving out of the way of the magnet when it was flying.
So we're actually trying to get it far. You could have told.
Hi, IPA Junior.
Go on, give one mighty swing for mankind.
Not for mankind, but for
Give us
goodness
the.
sake.
There you go, Leighton. Give us a thumbs up.
Oh no. Here we go again.
Weed.
Yes. Not a little. A lot.
Just pull it off.
Oh bullshit.
Right, just try 2 more, and then that's
Just
it.
like green dead leaf from that.
Got caught on my finger. Oh no. Get off.
Try a couple more times.
Get off.
No, I didn't think there would be.
Oh, we found something.
Oh, we've got loads of seaweed. Oh well.
Wow.
Fudge lights here.
So shape of the oven is.
Right, do 1 more, and then that's it. Oh, God, I'm the other way.
Oh my days.
It's soaked. How does it get so wet?
Cause you see this wire?
Oh yeah, you pull it out. Put your jacket on.
That's how much seaweed there is.
Come on then.
Okay,
Drag it
try
in.
get through the seaweed. Imagine we had the grappling hook on there.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to get no.
What a swing. Excuse me.
We'll do 1 more, and that's it.
After this,
Yeah, but just do it around the edges here. Just see what's.
something over there. I felt it.
Beautiful place this is.
No, minus the seaweed.
Hmm?
Minus the seaweed. So much seaweed. Feed the old family.
Some forms of seaweed you can actually eat.
Really?
Yeah. Chinese, they eat it. I think you have to fry it or cook it. I don't know.
Oh, I got some of it.
Could count.
Oh, never mind.
A
Look
stick.
like a tin can.
Stick.
It looked like a tin can for a second.
Oh. Okay, that wraps it up for this episode. Hope you've enjoyed it. We didn't get anything, but this guy here, he led the activity.
Junior.
Yeah. Okay.
Signing out.
We'll try somewhere else next time. So we've tried the canal and we've tried here. So that's it then. Tune into the other videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you around.
Bye.
Closing words, anybody?
Like, subscribe, comment and share.
See ya.